Painting Puma, and today we're going to do a small 12 by 12 canvas with 2 little cups as a flip cup. I have a couple different colors. I have just a white base. It is Craftsmart acrylic white with silicone in it. I have Craftsmart Ocean Breeze. I have Craftsmart black. I have a mixture of apple barrel orange and apple barrel white to make a darker orange. Then I have Artist Loft light magenta. Those are the colors we're working with. And of course, as always, I use my pouring medium, my Elmer Glue and Water 70/30. And then down in the description, I put the different ratios of paint to pouring medium because they do actually vary a little bit based on brand. So I put that down in the description below. Something I'd also like to mention that is in the description are these bottles that I use. They're linked down below on my Amazon store. They are really nice. They have an attachable cap, and I just really like them. So I would put that in there. Again, this is a 12 by 12 canvas. It is lifted by little, actually not little, big, I don't know if you can see that, push pins. And these are just little Dixie cups. And let's get started. I'm going to put a little bit of each color down. Just taking off the little crust of paint that was on my nozzle so it doesn't fall in my flip cup. So there's my white. Ocean Breeze. Something to note, the higher that you hold your bottle or the lower determines how the paint sits. If you are higher, it'll fall through and mix more, whereas if you are lower, you have a better chance of it just laying on top. So I am trying to stay lower so they sit on top of each other. My consistency of paints is as close to the same consistency as I think you can get. I do measure my paints with scale by milliliters. In the video that I have covering how to mix paints, it goes more into detail with that. This is my orange. I think I'm finally gonna use all this up. And Artist Loft light magenta. I don't know what it is about this bottle, but I have to use 2 hands to squeeze it out. It is the same consistency as all the others, but it just doesn't want to come out. There's something about the nozzle on this one that doesn't want to play nicely with others. Okay, and lastly, I'm going to put just a little more white. I think that I see a floater, but it could just be a cell. No, it's a little floater. Got that out. Okay, a little bit of white on the top. I'm going to put my gloves on. just let them sit for a moment. Knock, knock. So if you find this very educational, I would appreciate a like, subscribe if you like the content, and ring the bell if you want to see what's going on, what we're doing. Be notified when we have a new video come out. Would greatly appreciate that. Again, in the description is everything, a summary of what we covered today, the formula for the pouring medium and the paints, and where I got all the products if you're looking for a quick and easy way to find it, not have to do a lot of searching. I've done that work for you. So it's all down in the description. Please give me a comment if you would like to see something specific. I'm always looking for suggestions on stuff to do, so I would greatly appreciate that. And now we're ready to reveal. I think we've let it mingle enough. I've never done a flip and drag, so I'm going to go ahead and pull this up a little bit. I'm going to drag it down as I reveal. Well, that didn't drag like at all. My husband's here helping me, and I broke his silence. He didn't. Yeah. I'm going to try that again. I'm going to drag a little bit more. Sorry about that. I had some technical issues. I have a new camera and I'm just getting used to it, and I went to pause it to go get gloves and I stopped it and it turned off the light. I thought it was kind of dark, but I wasn't sure what was going on, so I just kept going. And my wonderful husband said, "Where'd your light go?" And I went, "Well, that's what happened to it." So just kind of rocking it back and forth for right now. There's a lot of orange on this side that I'll probably end up just kind of dumping off at some point, but I want to get things a little more dispersed. And before I do any more, I have a little bit of non-silicone white base. And I mean a little bit. Woo! Just gonna put some around the edges, just to help it flow a little better. Okay, perfect. Now I need to make more white base. That will be for another time. I'm gonna go back this way. That's a really cool cell that's dropping off the edge. This one right here. I really like this side right here. Looks really cool. Not sure how I feel about all the orange. I like orange, but I guess when I was looking at the colors, kind of planning out this painting in my mind, I didn't necessarily have that much orange in mind. I'm going to turn this so you can see better, since I'm focusing on this end now. I don't want to get too much of that off because I really like that. But I want it to go. Go, go. I'm getting impatient. I'm shaking it. That's not good. I need to be the patient puma, not the impatient puma. this way just a little bit more. Maybe. Paint is starting to kind of stop. So I think actually I'm going to put it down for a minute. Take a look at it. I love this side right here, and I love what this is happening with the black, and it looks like a geode to me. The orange is a little out of place, kinda, but it still looks cool. So, take my gloves off. I'm gonna grab my torch. And we torch to pop the air bubbles, bring up cells. You don't want to be touching your canvas. You want to be just above. Otherwise, you will start to dry out parts of the paint and or burn it, and you don't want that reaction. You don't want what that looks like and all that stuff. So we're just popping bubbles and bringing up some cells. And I think that looks really cool. It doesn't look like anything else that I've done, which is cool. It's nice to have more unique, different things in your gallery. So I think it looks pretty cool. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And you know, also, what would you call this? I'd like your opinion on that, because I'm not quite sure. Geode comes to mind, but the orange is throwing me off. So if you see something in here and you say, oh, there's a dragon in there, or there's a something or else, or whatever you see, let me know. I would greatly appreciate it. And I'm gonna see if I can get you a little more detail without it going blurry. Yep. There it is. Alright guys, I am going to wrap up this video by saying thank you, and I would like to share someone special with a special message for you as we leave and say goodbye. Thank you again, and thanks for watching. Here she is.
Hi guys, this is Puma Cub. If you like this video, give a like and subscribe, and ring that bell, ring-a-ding-a-ling, to see what's new. Bye for now.